M0FXB, welcome back to the channel. TIDRADIO.H8 and the OdMaster app that you can download from the Play Store. Let's program from the radio and even import some frequencies from Repeater Book, which is built into the OdMaster app. First thing, turn on your radio and you want to turn on Bluetooth. See, it says here BL, and then on the here you've got like a music sign. There you go. See the Bluetooth appearing next to it? So just press it so that that appears. Then you want to pair. So if we come out completely and go to the OdMaster app, you'll see there, OdMaster, and it actually, you can download it on your computer. And if you have Bluetooth on your computer, it works, and it works really well. And you do log into this, and once you logged into it, when you log in on your PC, all the information is saved there for you, which I think is excellent. So click open, and of course it works with the TIDRADIO.H8. So it wants me to log in. Okay, so you will need to register. So let's log in, and it will ask for Bluetooth pair. Some of the names that it searches and finds do not make any sense, but this one, when it's on, it comes up with the word kit. Turn that on, and then go down one, select the model. So we just tapped select model, TID radio, and then we're on the ham. Now how do you know you're on ham? You just go menu, then 42, okay, and we're on ham version. There might be an update, we'll do that in another video. Mine ends 23. Then you've got an exit button here. Now there is a way of updating this and changing it to GMRS and unlocking it. And what you do is you turn it off, hold down the PTT and the 0. You can see my Bluetooth disconnected then, while turning on. So you've got to hold it down. It's quite fiddly in the camera. You get this message. So when you press the 0, you get the GMRS option. When you press the hash, you get the what they call the unlock option, or the ham option they call it, which basically is unlocked. Now I can't see that this does airband, this particular radio.
Welcome.
The TIDRADIO.H8 does, and I'm sure they'll bring out a version of this. It's the thing about the H8, which is what this is, it's a very good quality solid set. Not really sure why this model hasn't got airband, but it is one of the early ones. But anyway, so let's reconnect. So we'll go Bluetooth, because we did turn it off. Let's press the button, pick it up, back, press that again. There it is there, a little slider, and then we've got ham, and we're going to go read. It's a nice quality screen on this. It's like a little TV screen. Yeah, it feels, just feels good quality. Let's let that do its reading. That's the new sort of, in the background you've got, that's the M11 new sort of, it's a budget device actually, but it's got that snazzy screen on the front. I'll show you.
Turn on the radio.
Look at that. It's cool, isn't it? But anyway, that's for another video. So, when we start off, RXTX list, we've got channels shown here. To change channel, so we're on channel 1, and if you want to see where the name is, it's at the bottom, look, HubNet, yeah? And if I go on here, go menu, let's have a look now. We're in VFO and memory mode. So channel mode is basically memory mode. Frequency is VFO, which is where you can type a frequency. If I go back to channel and go 001, and then we're on the memory channels now. And there you are. A and B. And on the A band, I've told it in settings to actually use display the channel name, but it displays both anyway, and you can see there's a little window there that's showing that the A and the B band. So anyway, we'll go to the repeater list here. And at first there's nothing. Then you go import. Let's go back again. So I have already done this. Let's try again. So earlier I tapped repeater list and then it gave me a list. I chose from that list and selected right and it added it to my channels. But every time I touch it now it's just blank. Maybe it's because I've already done it. And look, you can save as you go as well. Look here, you got your little save. And confirm. It saves it to a list that you can pick up on your PC. So let's just go through how to change and set a channel. So tap the channel. It shows you this grid. And the ones that are not being used are red like that. So let's just choose channel 3. And it's got a frequency there. So we'll just change that to, say, we go back, we go to 4, let's go back all the way, 430 dot, does it put the 9, the dot in for you? 9, no it doesn't, so 430.925, yeah, and transmit, tap that one, 4.3. It's quite fiddly on. It's actually easier on the computer, I think, because the computer does this. So 438.525 00 tick, and then I'm going to learn what frequency hop is. Encode is 77. Power, I'll put it on mid, and the important one is name, so GB3FI. You can add it to scan, busy lock, wide and narrow, TX power, encode. That's it. And then we're going to click, or we type the frequency wrong, have we? It says here, range, see if it will write. Oh, it is writing it. Write that to the radio, and you've got a new memory channel. Confirm. Go back one. There is actually this talk part. See, it says talk here. And you can actually talk to people via the internet. I'm agreeing to their terms. I need to change the settings. So it acts a bit like Zello, I suppose. And there's some advertising there, and then there's your account there, look. And it even shows AP or SFI. Look at that. So the app is sending out your position by the looks of it. Settings. Got all these, and some of these you may need. Clear cache. Could be the cache that's preventing my repeater book from working. Bluetooth configuration. That's where you do the baud rate. That's interesting. Okay. Bluetooth OTA. All techie stuff. Accounts, password, function, switch, settings. You've got turn off voice, hover, switch off communication, da-da-da. But you get the idea. I think this is where you can talk to people when you're on this sort of part. Signed in. Oh, it looks like I have to sign in to this section, the sort of talk to people signing bit. Oh, not sure what that is. So that's the app. Switch back, go to program, and then you can start reading and writing again. It's quite fast. Different channels. Shame about the repeater list. Well, you go repeater list, import, and last time it showed me a list, and then I just chose from the list. Bye for now. I'll give you. I'm going to show you quickly the computer side. at the computer, go to web.odmaster.net and then you just log in. So imagine this is your phone, but you log in, okay? Okay, you can update your password and etc. Once you've logged in, tick at the top here, you've got a Bluetooth. This is quite a new addition. And as long as the Bluetooth's turned on your radio, which it is on mine, you can see my radio there. Let it search until it finds it. Alright, it did find it then. Search again. Okay. You do need it quite close to the Bluetooth on the PC to find it. And then you select it and connect. Right, we're showing connected now at the top here. It says connected. Okay. And it goes blue. So now we need to select our model or go to the previous download that we did. If you see here, I've got a tick here. It says My List M0FXB. And then we'll click update. Glitched out there. So we've chosen our model TIDRADIO.H8 ham. We ticked it. And then we'll go update now. It should, that's it. It should pick up the frequencies that we had in there. Yeah, that's better. It's now picked up the frequencies we saved when we were last logged in. So now let's try and read from the radio. So at the very bottom here of the screen you can see the word read. Let's give it a go. We're gonna click, no, let's try import. We can import a file, export, read, write and save. Looks like we've lost our Bluetooth, so let's find that again. Now what I've done is put the Bluetooth right next to it now. And now the read and write is clearer now, so we can go read. And see how well it does. Download from radio, read. So yeah, you need a strong Bluetooth. It looks like it's automatically selected baud rate 9600. I think that's enough for now. You know, the idea is the same on the PC. They have got an iOS version of this. You could probably, I'm pretty sure, you could probably pair their, they've got a PTT, haven't they? I'm not sure about that. I'm not going to guess on that. So there you go. There's my memory channels, which you can change and add names now here on the right hand side. Look, just click the frequency you want to change. Put in 433.300 there for now, and we'll call it GB. What do you think now? 3. I think that's WB. You'd have to change the transmit etc. But you've got encoder. Choose your tone. Choose your power, and then write. Click write. And it's right into the radio. And the screen on the radio, I know you can't see it now because I've had to put it in a different place, but it's exactly the same. Let's have a look around what else we can see on this software. And then we'll end the video. Because they're working on this all the time, because TID Radio has been a success. And so they're working, you know, with this app all the time. Let's click these 3 lines here. Just shows the same. It just gets rid of this bit. Let's do remote control program. What's that? That's all the different times we read and write. Look at all the radios. Remember, if you get the little adapter, which is called the TDBL1, plug that into your cheap radios, like your Bofung's ET. It doesn't have to be a TID radio. And then you can read and write those radios. Remote control, home, more about TID radio there. At the top, English, full screen, my account. It says there switch, not sure what that means. Oh, change colours. Okay. This is in Chinese, so I'm too scared to click this. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Lots to learn about this, but I'll put the links in for the OdMaster web interface and the blue, let me think now, the Android, and if they've got it, the iOS. Bye for now, 7.3.